Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Pokemon Corner. If you're new here, welcome to Gavin's Pokemon Corner. Today is finally a Pokemon Paldea Evolved opening. So we got the ETB. So everybody knows, so I think this is the promo. And we get the 8 packs, the dividers, sleeves, coins, counters, dice, rulebook, and energy. So, and the book. So we'll do what we do every new set is look at the book to see what our chase cards will be. We also got this artwork I usually try hang up. So here is the book. Let's go right to the back. And let's have a quick look. So, let's see what catches my eye. Probably the Raichu, the Mismagius. What else? The Dedenne. There we go. See the full arts. The Grusha and Iono. Dendra. And this Iono. And I want to get a bunch of the gold leaf energy. So yeah, let's get into it quickly. This goes. Here is the 8 packs. So we could put that away now. We know what's in the boxes usually. And now let's get into the first pack. First pack of Paldea Evolved. Okay, so here is a code card. Make sure you let me know what you got down below. Make sure you share as well. Oh, it's just one. So grass and Reller, Tadbulb, Frigibax, Tandemus, Heracross, Kilowattrel, Azumarill, Maschiff. Whoa! First pack magic. So we got a gold Masquerada EX. Upside down too. Sick. That is good first pack magic. Good box. It's like my first Paldea Evolved opening on the channel. We opened up with a Masquerada EX Gold. Fire. Noibat. Spirigarito, Quaxley, Charcadet, Giraffe, Pinkerton, Zweilous, Snover, Corvesquire, and a Fortress EX. Nice, back-to-back hits. Next pack. Code card. 1 to the front. So we got Psychic, Nestle, Seto, Dole, Fuecoco, Palmy, Vespiquen, Ice-Q, Iono, Sudowoodo, Pikachu, and a Hariyama. Next pack. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just one to the front. Water, Reller, Tadbulb, Frigibax, Tadmos, Musthold, Setitin, Corviknight, Larvitar, Guacomo, and a Wigglytuff. Next pack. Code card. One to the front. So we got Metal, Larvitar, Dino, Sandygast, Tarantula, Tarantula, Nextstack, Calamitous Snowy Mountain, Corvisquire, Ceruledge, Sneasel, and a Wu Chain EX. Nice, nice. We're halfway there, or like more than halfway. Code card. Cetotal, Nacli, Fuecoco, Wattrel, Dunsparce, whoa, Pupitar, Falkner, Voltorb, Superior Energy Retrieval, and a Hydreigon. And the energy. Next pack. Code card. And fighting. Murkrow, Mischievous, Sneasel, Gothita, Artisan, Taurus, Paldean's Taurus, Practice Studio, as well as Love Disc, and a Gyarados. Next pack. Code card. So we got Tink, Shroodle, Glimmet, Bramblin, Seviper, Pyroar, Luxio, whoa, Luminous Energy, Nacli, and a Sableye. Nice. There goes that. I need more of those. Sorry about that. Nice, nice. Now we're on last pack. Can we get some last pack magic? Code card. One to the front. Psychic, Maschiff, Wingull, Pineco, Meryl, Floragato, Quaxwell, Delivery Drone, Magikarp, Dino, and a Ceruledge. But it's okay. We got gold already, 2 EX cards, and a SR, if I remember the name. Yeah. So, hopefully you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell notification down below. I post once a week. Come back next week. I'll be opening up half a booster box of Paldea Evolved. So yeah, you could watch what YouTube recommends here, subscribe right here, and check out my collection channel there. And we'll see you in the next video.